Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I will be sharing my experience of IIT Kanpur interview. So I had my interview on 15th of March and it was on Noida at 9 a.m. So firstly let's talk about the registration process. I reached the campus on time and there were a lot of coordinator like student of the college and they were coordinating all of the thing. So एक जितने भी उन्होंने डॉक्यूमेंट्स मंगाए थे कैट स्कोर कार्ड 10th 12th मार्कशीट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट they asked us to arrange all of this in one order and we arranged it, and then they call one by one for the registration process and it was done very smoothly and the panel was allocated after that. So my panel number was 7 and we didn't know about our sequence number at that time एंड हमको कोई भी सीक्वेंस नंबर नहीं बताया गया था. सो फिर एक टाइम के बाद हम सबको बोले कि जिनका पैनल नंबर 7 है वो एक फ्लोर में, आई थिंक इट वाज 3rd फ्लोर, सो 3rd फ्लोर में जाओ. सो वी वेंट देयर एंड वी वर सीटिंग. सो ऐसे बोले कि एक 1 by 1 जिनका भी पैनल नंबर 7 है वो 1 by 1 क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में जाओ जैसे बैठे हो. सो वी जस्ट सेट रैंडम एट दैट टाइम, बट फिर वही हमारा सीक्वेंस नंबर बन गया. सो आई वाज सिटिंग एट the second number, so my sequence number was obviously second. So the first one went in and I was sitting outside the interview room and जो पहला वाला गया था his interview was I think around 15 minutes and it was quite long. So I was expecting that for me as well कि थोड़ा lengthy होगा, and since it was IIT I was really worried कि quants question पूछेंगे and बहुत ज़्यादा quants oriented ना हो जाए, because we all know my quants is not good at all. मैं like CAT में भी I used to struggle very much. This time also I was really worried कि क्या होगा अगर quants heavy हो जाए, but at the same time मैंने quants बहुत पढ़ के गया था for IIT interview. So मैंने graphs and mean median mode statistics, मतलब जितने मेरे एंड से हो सकता था जितना मेरे को नॉलेज है मैंने सब पढ़ के गया था. बट लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट अबाउट द इंटरव्यू. देन मेरा टर्न आया and I think this interview was the worst interview I have ever had. Like मैं कभी अपने फ्यूचर में या पास्ट कभी भी ये इंटरव्यू वापस एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करना चाहूंगी. इट वॉज दैट बैड एंड for that interview I traveled like almost 1200 kilometer because I live in Chhattisgarh. So traveling to Delhi was a huge thing for me for just a 5 minute or 6 minute interview. So इंटरव्यू खत्म होने के बाद भी अपने पेरेंट्स को बताना कि मेरा इंटरव्यू ऐसा गया आफ्टर ट्रेवलिंग सो मच एंड आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग सो मच अमाउंट ऑन दैट इंटरव्यू, आई फेल्ट काइंड ऑफ गिल्टी. बट let's just start about for the interview. So yeah, I was called for the interview and I went in. There were 2 panelists, one was male and one was female. Let's call the female panel 1 and the male is panel 2 for now. And the panel 1 told me introduce yourself. So I just introduced myself, the usual the ready answer. So I gave it, and as you all know in my tell me about yourself, the one line is I like macroeconomics. So that was one line. So the male, after completing my introduction, the male panelist asked me, so you mentioned that you have interest in economics, so tell me about GDP as well as Human Development Index, and tell me like all the data also, what is the GDP of India and what is the rank of India in it, and same thing for Human Development Index as well. So since I mentioned that I have interest in economics, I knew all of this and मेरे को डाटा वगैरह भी सब पता था ये दोनों के बारे में. So when I answered it, they were looking quite satisfied and impressed, and I was also happy कि चलो ये point अच्छा गया. And after that, this was the only question which I answered really well. And after that, the female panelist asked me, Kamya, so are you good in statistics and mathematics? एंड एट दैट टाइम आई लर्न फ्रॉम माई उदयपुर इंटरव्यू कि जो नहीं आता वो साफ साफ बता दो. सो आई जस्ट स्ट्रेट अप सेड कि नो मैम, आई एम नॉट गुड एट इट, बट इफ यू गिव मी अ क्वेश्चन आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट. सो दैट वॉज माई आंसर. सो शी सेड कि व्हाट इज वेरियंस, and I know this might be a very basic question for engineers and who is very good in quants, but I am not good at it. So that was not something which I knew. So I just straight up said ki no ma'am, I don't have much idea about this and I don't know. So then they both panelists looked at each other and they were not looking satisfied at all. And मेरे को खुद को ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग. मेरे को कैसे, मतलब आई वॉज जस्ट फीलिंग वेरी क्लूलेस एट दैट टाइम. And after that she was like okay, then she gave me a figure of geometry to solve like what is the area of it, and I will attach the photo of the figure here. So she said what is the area of it, and it was I was really clueless because मेरे को नहीं पता था. मैंने तो कैट में भी ज्योमेट्री छोड़ के गया था, so मेरे को नहीं पता था कि ये कैसे होगा. मैं कैट में भी लाइक ज्योमेट्री एंड डिफरेंशिएशन ये सब जो भी होता है मैं नहीं पढ़ी थी, बिकॉज इट इज क्वाइट हार्ड फॉर मी. मैं अर्थमेटिकल जैब्रा एंड नंबर सिस्टम ये सबके भरोसे ही गई थी. एंड आई वॉज लाइक रियली डिसअपॉइंटेड एट दैट टाइम कि मेरे को नहीं पता था. आई टुक क्वाइट अ मिनट एंड आई ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट एट दैट टाइम, बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व इट. एंड देन आई टोल्ड द पैनलिस्ट दैट सॉरी मैम, आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट दिस ऑल्सो. Then again they both looked at each other and they were quite disappointed. Like मेरे को तो ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि वो लोग ऐसे सोच रहे थे कि ये यहाँ तक भी कैसे पहुंच गई, बिकॉज मेरे को मैथ्स का कुछ भी नहीं आया जितने भी उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा. सो ये 2 क्वेश्चन तो मेरे को नहीं आया. एंड आई थिंक आफ्टर दैट दे गेव मी अ क्वेश्चन अबाउट समथिंग अबाउट डिफरेंशिएशन एंड ऑल. सो मेरे को वो भी नहीं आया. सो I just said कि sorry ma'am, I am not good at maths, but I know mean, median and graphs. But she said okay, but didn't ask any question to me about that. And that was like they were looking really quite disappointed. And she was like, okay, you don't know about this. And I said yes ma'am. And I also told ki really sorry ma'am, I know I should have studied about this, but I'm really sorry I was not able to answer the question. And she was like okay. Then she looked at them, and all of this the male panelist only asked me one question about GDP and Human Development Index, and that's it. The female panelist was leading the interview at that time. So the female panelist looked at male panelist, and she said ki, so should we ask her about the current news? And he was like okay. So she asked me about tell me some current news which is going on right now. So obviously I said about the war and all, and that was quite well. But again better like that was it. I said about the war thing, and she was like okay. And yeah, that's it. She said thank you. And I think the whole interview was around 5 minutes, maybe hardly 5 minutes. And it was really disappointing. Like I was not able to answer most of the question. They were looking disappointed. I was disappointed. I was so like मैं इतना दूर travel करी for the interview. It took me whole day to travel to Delhi. But and I don't know, it was not good at all. I was feeling very sad after giving the interview. And मेरा ये interview convert करने का chance is literally 0%, and I don't have any hope from it. Now the only interview which are left for me is CAP and MDI, and I hope कि मेरा ये दोनों interview अच्छा जाए. And also IMT का result आने वाला है on or after 22 March. So I am just होपिंग कि मेरा IMT एटलीस्ट निकल जाए. भले मैं लाइक ऐसा है कि एक इंटरव्यू अगर कन्वर्ट हो गया तो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, क्योंकि अभी तक जितने भी इंटरव्यू गए हैं एक भी इंटरव्यू ऐसा नहीं है कि जिसमें मेरे को फील हुआ है कि वाओ दिस वाज माय बेस्ट इंटरव्यू. इट वाज ईदर एवरेज और इट वाज नॉट गुड एट ऑल. सो आई एम क्वाइट वरीड, बट लेट्स सी व्हाट इज रिटन फॉर मी. एंड yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it. Bye bye.